Hi guys, and today topic is mouse over. Mouse over is the simplest topic in Selenium. Don't worry guys, I will help to how to write mouse over. And first of all, thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. And let's start the video. And first, right click on the package and create a new class tc001 3 mouse over mouse over. Enable to public static void and create a package and import particular packages. Import arg.openqa.selenium.by. Import arg.openqa.webdriver. Import arg.openqa.webdriver. Sorry, already done. Imported WebDriver. Chrome dot Chrome driver. Import arg.openqa dot actions in interactions dot actions. This is a new method. This is a new package. Previously I've explained it how to log in logout in automation testing. In previously explained how to verify in application and launch browser, enter URL and verify title and login logout. That video is providing description. You check it out, that videos. And let's start this video. I will explain it previously. This particular verify, this particular logout, I'll just copy it and this particular paste and let's start the verify. Let's start the mouse over actions dot ac equal to new actions driver and driver dot ac dot move to element driver find the element by dot 1 minute. That particular object, what type of object, that particular you don't know, that's the reason. Check it's that particular. And let's do how to check that. And I want this particular mouse over particular box. This particular box I want add employee. This particular use mouse over to operate this particular PIM and drop down. And I want this, and let's this particular mouse over helps to, and this is a link text, partial link text. Already I will read previously so many topics on the element locators. And you check it out that video. I will provide description dot perform and drivers dot find element by dot. I want the how to find that particulars, and also inspector. These also partial link test. Copy dot name. Sorry, that is not name. That is a link test. Let's control it. Oh, not copy. More copy this. Copy. Control V. And dot click activity. Click activity. Control S. I will write that particular action. Let's start the particular will wait statement thread dot sleep. What is wait statement? How to write this thread dot sleep? This particular action also I will this particular video also I will provided in description to check it out. And let's start the running. And first launch browser and enter URL and password and login button and PIM. Click the PIM and click the PIM. Add employees disk and add employees display. This particular PIM is there, and mouse out to mouse over help to this mouse. PIM is click and add employees clicking add to mouse over and add employees displayed. Same this program is automated. Let's start the one more running. And log in logout and PIM click and add employees click automatically. This is the mouse over. This is the code of mouse over and actions dot action is the one class is created one class and AC dot move to element. This particular method is performing a particular mouse over. And thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.